Hey y'all, so today we're gonna do some broccoli and cheddar soup. This will be a Panera Bread's Copycat. I'm gonna cut up my broccoli in small pieces. As you can see, they're fairly small. Then I'm gonna cut up an onion and dice that up as well. After chopping my vegetables, I am going to add some butter to a pan and some minced garlic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions. Next, I'm gonna go in with some flour, and I don't have any chicken broth, so I'm using chicken bouillon cubes with some water. I thought one would be enough, but I'm gonna make half of a pot, so I'm gonna use 2 cubes. With the cubes, I tend to mash it inside of the mixture so it can dissolve better, and also add more water so our soup can get thick. Then we're gonna go in with some carrots and some broccoli. I added more water and mixed it, and now it's time for seasoning. We're gonna add black pepper, some complete seasoning, some crushed red peppers, and mix that up. Next, I'm going in with some heavy whipping cream. I didn't use any salt in this soup because the bouillon cubes have enough salt in it. Then I'm gonna go behind that with 2 dollops of sour cream, which is not normal in the cheddar broccoli soup, but I don't care. My 2 cheeses of choice is extra sharp cheddar, that is a diced onion, don't be alarmed. And the second cheese would be sharp cheddar. Let the soup simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are al dente. Stir in the meantime, and at the end you will have a big pot of broccoli cheddar soup. It is good, it is creamy, it is cheesy, and it's not hard to make, y'all. It is so easy. Bars. But it ain't soup if it's not coating your spoon. I just want to let you guys know, if it's coming off watery, you put too much liquid. So hope you guys have a good weekend, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Bye.